alaikum, Abi. Kuluzen. What happening? Arba. Zen. Yalla, baby. Yalla, baby. Salam alaikum, my people. Salam alaikum, my people. Wait on your one excellency, an exclusive champagne. Come to me. This is Attitude Unit Gold Class, baby. Attitude Unit Gold Class, baby. It's all about gold class, baby. It's all about quality. It's all about great test. You want a VIP treatment, you want a VIP party, you want a VIP happening. Ladies and gentlemen, all of you know nothing gonna be better than this. My name is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agugbaola. Obanja Boy gives in the born of United Arab Emirates. Ogu 7 of Ogu Kingdom in Enugu State, in case it done. Abjure King is the name. Come, let me come right now, cruise all of y'all, baby. I cruise all of y'all, baby. In the Garden City, in case it done, no. When you need the champagne, call on me, holla at me. I'ma make you see. We got special party, special cruising, special. For VVIP only. VVIP only. You got money? You have cash? Come, let me give you something. Classic.